What is void versus delete in Docusign? Now in Docusign, void and delete serve different purposes when managing envelopes. So for the void cancels the signing process, makes the envelope inactive. It keeps a record of the envelope in your account with a void watermark and notifies recipient that it's no longer active. Use this when you want to stop signing but return the envelope for reference. While the delete removes the envelope from your view, sent, or draft folders and moves it to the deleted folder where it's permanently removed after 24 hours. If the envelope is in progress, deleting also voids it, stopping signers from accessing it, using this to clear out unnecessarily draft or completed envelopes from your account. So the key differences are: for record keeping, void keeps a record, deletes it, removes it from your view. So like if you want to use this for the signer impacts, both stops signing but void notifies signers while delete doesn't recall notifications already sent. So if you find this video helpful, make sure you like and subscribe.